Here's my review of an Etsy product. It's made by Kirk Makes Things. It's a Rogue PodMic low-profile microphone stand. I'm very happy with it. Problem I've had with previous microphone holders is they were too tall. I had a boom arm. Good product, but my table isn't made for it. It's too soft. I don't have a wooden table. I have a plastic table, and it was too soft. The arm couldn't stay up. Then I got another desktop stand for this microphone, and worked great, but the height was such that it was blocking most of my face, and I didn't like that. So what I wanted was something that would allow me to be close enough to the microphone that the microphone can pick me up with good volume, and that wouldn't block most of my face. And this is the device. See, it's here on the very, very low profile. This is where the microphone screws onto it. And that's what it looks at the bottom. It has some nice pads, and I really like it. I'm very happy with this product. Now, to be perfectly honest, I use a stack of books to put it to this height, and that works for me because of the low profile. I've got a lot more control over the height. I mean, I do cheat a bit using books, but I'm so happy with this product. It has done exactly what I want my microphone stand to do. It puts it at the perfect height that I can keep it close to my mouth so you can get the volume. Very happy with it. Strongly recommend it. Now, the URL for this is here. It's at etsy.com, and I'll just put this over here. Okay. So again, it's by Etsy. You can see the price is pretty good. It's that's in Canadian, and it's a very good price. There was a shipping charge on top of that, and it's by Kirk Makes Things. Again, highly satisfied with the product. Strongly recommend that you get it. Thank you for your support. Of course, you can like, subscribe, and watch more videos.